of the prophet Isaiah. Thus says the Lord to Shebna, master of the palace, I will crush you from your office and pull you down from your station. On that day I will summon my servant Eliakim, son of Hilkiah. I will clothe him with your robe and gird him with your sons, and give over to him your authority. He shall be a father to the inhabitants of Jerusalem and to the house of Judah. I will place the key of the house of David on Eliakim's shoulder. When he opens, no one shall shut. When he shuts, no one shall open. I will fix him like a peg in a sure spot to be a place of honor for his family. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Responsorial Psalm. Lord, your love is eternal. Do not forsake the work of your hands.
Lord, your love is eternal. Do not forsake the work of your hands.
I will give thanks to you, O Lord, with all my heart, for you have heard the words of my mouth in the presence of the angels, and will sing your praise. I will worship at your holy temple.
Lord, your love is eternal. Do not forsake the work of your hands.
I will give thanks to your name because of your kindness and your truth. When I called, you answered me. You built up strength within me. Response.
Lord, your love is eternal. Do not forsake the work of your hands.
The Lord is exalted, yet the lowly he sees, and the proud he knows from afar. Your kindness, O Lord, endures forever. Forsake no work of your hands. Response.
Lord, your love is eternal. Do not forsake the work of your hands.